Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by grounding yourself and the board. Static kills components, so secure an ESD wrist strap and mat. Once done, apply flux around the chip and shield adjacent parts with Captain tape to prevent damage. Heat the board with hot air at 300–350 degrees C, moving in slow circles to heat the pads evenly. Make sure to keep the nozzle 10–20 mm away and watch the solder glisten. You want the solder to liquefy before attempting any lift. Once the solder flows, use a vacuum pick or fine tweezers to lift the chip straight up. You must be decisive but controlled. If any pins remain attached, reapply heat briefly to those areas rather than twisting, because lateral force lifts copper pads. Then switch to a soldering iron and desolder braid to remove residual solder from each pad. Make sure to add fresh flux when cleaning so the braid absorbs efficiently and you do not overheat the board. You finish by cleaning the pads with 90% plus isopropyl alcohol and a soft brush, then inspect under magnification for lifted pads or solder bridges. Once clean, test continuity with a multimeter and repair any lifted traces using fine wire or a PCB repair kit, making sure solder joints are solid. Apply flux and solder paste for the new chip, align it carefully, and reflow. If something goes wrong, don't panic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.